Dear students, welcome to this video. Today our topic is words opposite. Start this video. Words opposite: big, small, hot, cold, fast, slow, happy, sad, light, dark, old, young, hard, soft, high, low, full, empty, near, far, heavy, light, open, close, safe, dangerous, clean, dirty, rich, poor, sharp, dull, short, tall, sweet, sour, above, below, wheat, dry, hurt, love, healthy, sick, hell, heaven, hide, show, honest, dishonest, hope, despair, thick, thin, more, less, day, night, good, bad, genius, fool, summer, winter, white, black, gross, net, genuine, fake, in, out, start, and, before, after, short, long, even, odd, early, late. Thank you for watching this video.